Hello everyone. Do you wake up feeling tired, with a headache? Do you feel as though you haven't slept all night? Do you snore at night? And do you fall asleep unknowingly in the daytime? All these point to an underlying problem that you may be having called obstructive sleep apnea. This is very commonly seen in people who are overweight, who have nasal and oral problems, in those who smoke and consume alcohol. To confirm this, you need to do a test called sleep study, which will help us in diagnosing your underlying problem. To prevent this, you have to first of all modify your lifestyle, lose weight, eat healthy things, do exercise regularly, stop smoking, and avoid consuming alcohol. If you have a nasal or an oral problem, you will need to see the doctor and get these corrected. If these procedures do not work, you will probably have to use a machine called a CPAP machine, which will help in reducing your snoring episodes and improve your oxygenation. Obstructive sleep apnea increases your chance for diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and even stroke. That's why it is important to get this treated as soon as possible. So, if you have a snoring problem or if you are falling asleep unknowingly, get yourself checked so that you can avoid other problems as well, so that you can live a healthier tomorrow.